for more updates. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Welcome, 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 romantic friends and new viewers. If you're new to my channel, I do apologize, but we're going to skip ahead in this video. And so if you're new to soap making, you may want to watch my previous videos to see how to mix and blend and prepare the oils. So for those that are not new, we are going to go ahead and fast forward in the video to the part of me already mixing the colors, and we already have our green laid out in our soap mold, and then next we're going to add the rest of the soap. Right now I am just adding a bit of texture to the green portion of the soap. The green portion will represent the watermelon rind of our soap. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and pour it on top of our soap. Okay, so next we're going to add some piping on top, not a lot, just down the center. And next we will return with the cutting of the watermelon soap. Hey, romantic friends. Here is your romantic question for today. Number 1, would you rather write a love letter to someone special? Or number 2, would you rather sing each other a love song and fall asleep? Go ahead and list your answer in the video comments below. I would love to hear each and every one of your thoughts. Or if you look in the upper right hand corner, you could just take a poll and choose your choice for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to take time out to pamper yourself. Bye now.